Etienne him say Nigel Giasei any Kennedy Japan omuntem enye, but for Nigel Giasei to go to that extent, it's a hell no. In fact, no, you can't. How can you address someone or how can you compare someone to a cat? Social media so I but don't wanna kazache so mo bashi Nigel Giasei about and come say bia obeshare aha authentic plus studios make sure so be like you subscribe you and share amafofo so enya bi ahwe eti say me di kankan ye nim say Nigel Giasei any Kennedy Japan omuntem ensheda nyoki because of one or two things be na some be kai 31st night no Nigel Giasei ebe hye nkom bi kase in fact nyankopon yi action e wo sunsun mu wiase no nyankopon yi action say the Black Stars of Ghana world cup ya yekwei Black Stars e ade a o mebom ho body e wo finals sa pepe na chese odi tudwa
Black Stars of Ghana.
What Black Stars of Ghana?
Last year or last 2 years. The Lord made you to say they will qualify. And I've seen that they will go in the finals. Listen. The Black Stars will do extremely well.
Black Stars no
at the finals. I saw it. The Black Stars of Ghana.
Black Stars of Ghana
will do extremely well at the finals. So when I say Black Stars will do well at the finals, I didn't say the final of the World Cup. When you qualify, it is called finals.
That's right.
Your friends say World Cup. But they will do what? They will do what?
They will do well.
Now, Obeka same way Ghana for na cheso munim football cheso multi football ase no ebe ba hye ne ka che ne say Nigel Giasei me say wan kasa you don't know the dynamics of football inti na wo kasa. Football etimi tende and this has nothing to do with spiritual thing and asibia spiritual matters. Ain't you forget it. Ebu in fact ensi honom na chese Nigel Giasei ekopiem ewo nana banamwa space so ewo Twitter na cheso mo twetwe nkomo nana banamwa bi say say prophets na say what hye nkombi say Black Stars ebe di nkunim ewo finals na ye World Cup na ye kon also look nana banamwa my sister you know sometimes we have to make time, we have to make space for ourselves to understand some things whenever ono okasa everybody entie.
But Prophet Nigel Giasei, one of your prophecies this December is that Ghana is reaching the World Cup final.
Yes, please.
No,
what I said, and it's not my prophecy, the prophecy of God. If you could give me a minute, because it will help some. There are a lot of people on the platform. It will help us out. You see, when it is easy for people to call you fake, to call you names, when they don't know your labor and your sweat and your journey.
Okay.
But if you have given yourself the benefit of time and you've searched the person, got closer, and if you've seen the sweat and the labor, the bills the person pay, you not say that. A lot of prophets of God in Ghana, they are genuine, but we have character problem here. And I said, as we keep growing, we become better. We become better, like any other person. So my prophecy that I was inspired to say that Black Stars will do well at the final. The final here, I did not intend by the Spirit to say that it is the final of the finals of the World Cup. When I did linguistics at Legon, and I was taught that when you qualify to the World Cup, it is called the finals.
It is, but you said it in December. We had already qualified, or?
Yes. So what I intend saying was that as we have qualified, we will do well there. In the year called World Cup, we will do extremely well.
And media na interpreted well.
English, madam.
Enti ehono Nigel Giasei chimu ka say send your car say Ghana ebebo mo hu body our finals no wanka eye World Cup finals na che say eye teams nya ko hia na o ma bo che say ye ko final na enya no no oka ochiremu a o say finals ni yes qualifies na ye boy no but mind you qualifies na ye boy wi ko dada last year ene bo wi ye ena enkomsha so no o hia 31st night eti hono prophets ye mpese we kasa o Nyankopon nipa abusia owie ye no ena na ba na moa ede ne call politics eno bisa say Nancy asofo bebre abehye nkom pastor Eric Boama Boahene ebehye nkom chese asofo bebre ebehye nkom se Dr. Mama Kennedy Japan obe win election e na woka e na say look ye nyina ye nim se oni Kennedy omuntem enye but in your babe kasisia no has nothing to do with the fact say oni Kennedy ntem enye na mmom no sebe kafrache se wuyi cats okra edisi wonum na we Kennedy Japan edisi wonum masabia omonto omoso aba ankwano pa de obeto ama cats no ama na wini se Kennedy bedi nkonimu pa de enya de bibisi.
Sympathy and prophecies, are they the same?
Oh no, sympathies are not. What I'm saying is that I have no interest personal. I have no private interest in the MPP primaries. There's no emotions about that. I have no private interest about that. But what I'm saying is that it's a private matter. Everybody in this country know I don't like Kennedy Japan. I don't like him. I can't like him because of some funny things, infamous things he has said about me. I don't hate him, but I don't like. If you put, sorry to say, respectfully, if you put a cat and Kennedy there, I'll pick a cat any day. Not to disrespect humanity. I don't like Kennedy. So that is why I said my sympathies are towards Bawumia, but I have no interest there.
So you did not prophesy that Bawumia was going to win?
I have seen 3 times that he's going to win. But again, I have no personal interest there to be pushing that interest to push it. I have no personal.
Okay. Anyway, this is my actual question to you.
And if I talk na Ghana for say only Kennedy ntem enye, but for you to compare Kennedy to a cat, no. In fact, I know Dean. I am more of an insult, say bia obekasa. And it's true. Ghana for baby say I insult pa na say Nigel Gezi ekeka no. Say beka frache I am kwasi asem. In as much as say only nipa no enye fi no, that doesn't give you the authority, the audacity, the effrontery for you to compare him to a cat. Much as a Ghana for the blasting no. En kankan en commission no share na say wasa dane na no akase. Wan kase finals no mo basun na mum ka finals qualifies no mo boy no, but we have something like finals or qualifies but yes pepe na cheso de kai a whole prophets tries to be to charge no, but it is what it is. Ebusia we need so much as abeto abonti achese Ghana for sopa Nigel Gezi ono so atutu bi Ediama Kennedy akompreko Japan authentic plus studios. Make sure so be like you be subscribe and share ama fufu so nya bi ahwe.